Hey everybody, it's Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Recently, I was able to bring my 1990 Ford F-250 into the shop for some much needed work that I've been planning. This truck has lived its 30 years in snowy, salty western New York, so the body is very rusty. The worst part is the lower seatbelt anchors. As you can see, the floor is mostly gone in this area and there's not much left holding this seatbelt in place. You can move it just by pulling on it. Most of this area is rusted out, so there's not very much structure left to do any repairs to. The right side was the worst, but the left side was also getting bad, and it actually cracked while I was shooting this video. So the first thing I did was try to clean things up as much as possible. First I used a wire wheel and then some grinding discs. Basically tried whatever I could to get as much of the rust off, but it's an awkward area to try to reach any tools into, so wasn't the easiest thing to do. I did this during my free time at the shop, so it took a few days to finally get this job done. It's far from perfect, definitely not what you really want to be welding on, but it's hard to get much better on a truck that's this rusty. I didn't need to weld on that many spots, so it was good enough for my needs. I picked up some 1/8 inch thick, 3/4 inch angle pieces of metal from the home improvement store and cut them to length to fit exactly from front to back on the sides of the cab. And then it was time to weld. I actually haven't welded since I took a 2-day welding class a year ago, so I wasn't really expecting really good welds, but it's fun just to weld. But without any practice, I feel like these aren't that bad. It was fun to get to weld for the first time in a while. When I'm welding the right side, you can see just how much metal is missing by how much area gets lit up by the welding. And there's the finished product. Like I said, they're far from good-looking welds, but they seem to be strong enough for my needs. Make me feel a lot better than just the rusted-out metal that was there. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.